Well, we got this thing turned around from last time. Got her ready to go for beans. I didn't help on this, get it ready to go. I was at my other job. This is ready to go. Let's see, corn heads ready for fall. Grain heads ready to go. Crazy thing I've seen on YouTube is one lonely farmer cutting corn with a grain head. Well, vice versa does not work with the corn head. The corn or the beans just fall right down here between the snapping rolls or the gathering chains, excuse me, and you don't get anything that way. Versus the grain head, which I tend to find it to be really, really hard on the knife. The cutter bar when you're cutting corn, basically. Yeah, when you're cutting corn, the knife. Man, man, that's like that sharp knife. Let me see now if I can figure out which guards are missing. Cutter bars lined up just perfect with the teeth. Man. Huh. I don't know. Beats the heck out of me. But grain head is ready to go. All 20 foot of it. It's got this incredibly massive long tongue on this thing, which I hate. It looks like it's got a place for a spring with a hole right there, but there's this thing here. Check wheel studs frequently. Oh, that's lovely. But yeah. Spring. Okay, that's what this is for. That makes sense. Okay. We might have to do that this winter. The 15-foot grain head used to sit on that cart, but the 15-foot wouldn't work on that throat. The feeder house was too wide for the 15-foot grain head we had. And same with the corn head that we had. The I think that was a 963, 863, 963, somewhere in there. We run on the combine, that 1440 we had. Grain cart, I think it's ready to go. I don't know. Looks to be ready to go. I hope it's ready to go. That wagon is empty, so, and this is the wagon that I flipped. We'll go into that story another day. Had a bit of an owie. Yeah, bit of an owie. So we'll go into that another day. When I got nothing more to talk about. Biggest thing with the grain cart that I've learned is when you always run with the auger down. Always run with that auger down, and when you go to pick, or say pull up to a truck You cannot let the auger hit, and it looks like something rubbed up there, but that wasn't from us. Yeah. It's got that indicator there, which I don't know what it's for. Tell you. Oh, probably. Okay. To tell you the gate, so you don't gotta guess. That's what that is. Okay. So you can watch the gate without having to guess. That's what that is. Yeah. I'm gonna have to do a little more research on the grain cart and how to run it. But I think it'll do us well. Big comparison to a gravity wagon. $510 bushel. You guys got any questions on this equipment? Feel free to ask. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Thanks for watching.